In this video, you'll learn how to add login and sign up features in Movable. By following these steps, you will successfully integrate these functionalities into your project. Begin by navigating to the Lovable website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Lovable URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the main interface of Lovable, which typically features a clean layout with various options for project management. Next, locate the text box that says, "What's on your mind? Agree." This is usually situated prominently on the home page. Click on this text box to activate it, allowing you to enter new information related to your project. After that, select the highlight option, which can be found in the toolbar or menu that appears after clicking the text box. This action will enable you to focus on specific features of your. Once this step is completed, navigate to the home section. This is typically accessible from a menu or sidebar. Clicking home will take you back to the primary dashboard of your projects. Now click on the projects option to view a list of all your projects. This step is essential for accessing the specific project where you want to add the login and sign up features. Following this, find and click on the All Projects button. This option should display all your previously created projects, allowing you to select the one you wish to modify. At this point, you will need to choose a specific project from the list displayed on your screen. Click on the project you want to work on, ensuring it is the correct one before proceeding. Once you have selected the project, open it to view its details. This action will present you with various tools and options related to the project you are currently working on. Next, locate the option to click on Chat AI or Prompt. This area is where you will input commands or requests related to your project functionalities. Type in the phrase, add login and sign up into the provided input area. This step is crucial as it instructs the system on what features to generate for your project. After entering the command, click on the Enter key to submit your request. This action will initiate the process of generating the login and sign up functionalities. Now, you will need to wait for Lovable to process your request and generate the necessary features. Depending on the complexity of your project, this may take a moment, so be patient as the system works. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.